I'm going to show you a hidden feature on Gmail that most people ignore while sending out emails. Now, what you want to do is to compose an email as usual by clicking on compose. And then you enter the recipient's email. I'm just going to send this to myself for demonstration purpose. So I'm going to copy one of my email. And then I also copy the subject. And now the email. Now the hidden feature I'm going to be showing you is called the confidential mode. With the confidential mode turned on, the recipient will not be able to forward the email, copy the email, print the email, or even download it. Now, to use the confidential mode, right here at the bottom of this screen here, you want to click on this padlock with a clock icon here. You're going to see a screen that says confidential mode. And if you read down here, you're going to see recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. Something you can also do is set expiration dates. You can say this email expires in 1 week. You can also click and choose a different date. Say expires in 1 day. You can decide that you want the email to expire in 1 day or in 1 week or 1 month or even 3 months. Let's say I choose expires in 1 day. So this email will expire on the 9th of June 2026. I'm making this video on the 8th of June. Now once that is set, down here you have an option to set passcode if you want. It says all passcodes will be generated by Google. So if you read this, it says no SMS passcode. If your recipient doesn't use Gmail, they will get a passcode by email. And then the second option says SMS passcode. Recipients will get a passcode by SMS. That is text message. So basically, if you choose no SMS passcode, the recipient will be able to access your email without entering any passcode. Maybe just after the usual Google verification, they'll be allowed to access the email you've sent. But if you choose SMS passcode, the recipient will not be able to access the email until they enter the passcode sent to them by Gmail through SMS. So let's say I choose SMS passcode and click on save. Now you see this screen here, it says content expires June 9, 2026. Recipients won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. You can also click this to edit in case you change your mind and want to make adjustments. Otherwise, once that is ready, you click on send. Now once you click on send, Gmail will require you to enter the phone number of the recipient. So this is the email of the recipient. You just have to enter the number here. As you can see here, it says a phone number is required so recipients can verify their identity using an SMS passcode. So you want to enter the user's phone number here. Once you enter the user phone number, this right here will be enabled. Then you can just click on send. And when the recipient receives the mail, they'll be prompted by Gmail to enter a code.